What's up, guys? Welcome to the Diverse channel. So today we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy. It's been a while since we upload the video here, and we have a lot of things that we are doing. So today we come up with a powerful boom and crash scalping strategy, and this strategy we have been using it for a while as well, and we see that the strategy is very effective. That's why I want to share the strategy with you guys. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video. I want to post notification anytime we post new strategy. You guys will be aware. So with that being said, let's quickly go to the settings of the strategy. Then we dive into how the strategy works. So the first thing you want to do is just to go to the indicator sections. Okay, so the first indicator we are going to be adding is the moving average. So how do we add this up? You just have to click on this F icon. So when you click on it, you search for moving average, and there's the parameters. Now the period is 200, shift is 1, method is exponential, apply to close, and the style is red. So click on save, then you have a moving average in your chart. Now to the next indicator, which is the RSI. So how do we add this up? We click on this F icon at the top, search for RSI, and this is the properties. Now the period is 14, apply to close. Now for the style, make sure you use the green color, and for the labels we need the 10 and 90 labels. Then go back and click on save. Now for the next indicator, which is the moving average, we click on the indicator window 1, F plus, we search for moving average and click on it. Now for the moving average, the parameters, the period is 10, shift is 1, method is exponential, apply to close, and the style, use any color by choice and click on save. Now for the last moving average, click on this F icon as well, search for moving average, and then the parameters. The period is 5, shift is 1, method is exponential, apply to close, use any color of choice and click on save. Now that is the setting we are going to be using for this strategy. Okay, so talking about how the strategy works, that is what we are going to be discussing right here. Okay, now this strategy zoom level, we are going to be zoom in 2 times, and then we can see what we are dealing with this type of strategy. Okay, so now whenever I'm using this strategy, I always want to see some few things when I'm using this strategy. Okay, and I'm going to explain that things to you guys right now. Okay, so whenever I want to take a trade with this strategy, now we're going to use area as an example. Now we want to see where the spike come and touch the 200 moving average. When a spike come and touch the 200 moving average, then we are now going to wait for our indicator window 1 moving average touch the 90 levels. Okay, has touched the 90 levels of the RSI. So when we see that, we want to now see the crossover to our bones uh at the moving average. After we see that, we will now look into our main chart. We want to see the moving average, the price to cross above the moving average with a spike and then come back inside with some candles. After the candle come back inside with at least 4 to 5 candles, then we are now going to enter for a sell. Okay, so this is another trade right here. You can see it just touched the 200 moving average and then start coming to the downside. And we also have our confirmation here on the indicator window 1. So that is the thing you are going to be looking for when you are taking a trade with this strategy. Okay, so let me go to crash to look for more examples for you guys. Okay, so it's very simple strategy and it's very effective. Okay, so this is a trade right here on crash 1000. You can see we have the moving average touching the 10 levels of the RSI. Okay, as we see that, then we see that the moving average cross over each other. After the cross, we could see that the spike come and touch the 200 moving average on our main chart, and the price and the candle close back inside. After that candle, we hit for another 3 to 4 or 5 candles, then we enter for our candles and close our position when the candle is almost at the last area where the spike happens. So that's how we use this strategy, and I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime posting strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.